Hello students, I hope you all will be fine. Today we will start our next exercise 3B. Okay, this is last exercise of your third chapter. So here after this I'll conduct one more test. Okay, so get ready for that. Next week there will be a test. Today in this exercise all work we have to do in book because there is a space given in your book, so you have to do this in book only. No need to do this in notebook. So first I have written here questions. Question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 7, because the question number 5 and 6 both are based on the ascending and descending. If you know how to arrange in the descending order or ascending, if you know one, then you can do another also. Okay, so I have taken only one part from that. Now question number first. In the question number first, some fill-ups are given that are based on your place values. Okay, we have done in this chapter or in the previous also Indian place value chart, international place value chart, where we have done the values of the value of the value of that chart. Means we know the places of each and every digit. We can write that values, we can write that places on the top of that digits also. So here in the question number 1 they have asked basic questions related to this exercise. So let's start with the question number 1, first part. In this is number given to us, this is number and this is digit. Okay, so don't get confused in both. Here written n, if I put the commas here, it will be 5,27,981. Okay, so n 5,27,981, this is our number. 5 is in dash place. What is the place of 5? 5 is this. So what is the place of 5? Place of 5 is lakhs. Yes, so we will write here the place of 5 is lakhs. Okay, so here is lakhs. Now and 7 is in dash place. 7, what is the place of 7? 7 is at the thousands place. Yes, so place of 7 is thousands. Okay, now here is D part. A, B, C, 3 are same, so you will do by your own. D part. In this is our number. Okay, this is our number. So this is 4 lakh. In 4,87,952, the digit in lakhs place. Means we have to tell here digit at the lakhs place. So places we know, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, and this is our lakh. Okay, so we have to tell here digit at the lakhs place. So 4 is there, so I will write here 4. The digit at the lakhs place is 4. Next is and its place value is, if the digit at the lakhs place is 4, so what will be the place value? 4 into 1 lakh, that means 4 lakh. Yes, so place value of that will be 4 lakh. Okay, place value of that will be 4 lakh. Okay, 4, then 20, then 30, 4 lakh, because when we find out the place value, we multiply that digit and the place of that digit. So place is lakh and value digit is 4, so 4 lakh. Answer is 4 lakh. Okay, now in this is our number. What is this? How we will read this? You can put the commas here. So here in 8 crore 17 lakh 6,903, the place value of 8 is, we have to tell here place value of 8. 8 is here. What is the place of 8? Place of 8 is crore here. Yes, so because ones, tens, hundred, this is thousands. Yes, and this is 10,000. Here is lakh and 10 lakh. So 8 is crore. So place value of 8 is 8 crore. Yes, very easy. So you will write here 8 crore. Okay, 8 crore. Okay, this is for lakhs, thousands, and this is for ones place. And that of 6 is, means same we have to tell for the 6. We have to tell that 6 means what is the place value of 6. अब हमें किसकी बतानी है? 6 की. So what is the place value of 6? This is at the 1000 place. So place value 6 is the 6000. Yes. Now, okay, we have done 3 parts here. Remaining you will do by your own. Question number 2. Write the place value of given digit. Here few numbers are given in the question number 2 and some numbers are there in the boxes. So we have to tell the place value of these digits in the given numbers. Okay, let us consider this one. Here we will write ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. So we have to tell first place value of 5. 5 is at the 10,000 place. Yes. So 10,000 place. So what will be the place value of 5? 50,000. Yes. What is the place value of 2? 2 is at the thousands place. That means 2,000. What is the place value of 9? 9 is at the 100 place. That means 900. What is the place value of 4? 4 is at the ones place. 4 is at the ones place. 4 into 1. That means 4 only. Okay. Now, in this, here is number given and some digits are given in the box in the diamonds. So we have to find out their place value. Ones, tens, 100. This is 1000. This is 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Okay. So first we have to tell the place value of 4. 4 is at the crore place. So 4 crore. 4 crore. 4. Okay. 4 crore. So you will write here 4 into crore or answer will be 4 crore. Okay. So I have written. Now place value of 3. 3 is 10 lakh. That means 30 lakh. 3 into 10 lakh means 30 lakh. So here will be 30 lakh. Okay. Now 7. 7 is at the lakh place. So 7 lakh. Okay. Now next is 9. 9 is at the 10,000 place. 10,000 means 9 multiplied by 10,000, 90,000. It will be 90,000. Okay. Now here in the question number 3 we have to put the symbols less than, greater than and equal to. Okay. So I have written first part, H part and then L part. Okay. So how to do the comparison? Okay. Look at here. In these two, okay, in these two, this is 27,365. This is 27,356. Okay, okay, both having equal number of digits. Means here is 5 digit, here is 5. So now we will compare the digits. Okay, this is 27. This is also 27,000. So next will be 3. This is also 3. Next is 6. And here is 5. We will start doing comparison on the left hand side. From this hand, left hand side, and we will compare each digit. So first I compare these. First 2 both are same. 7 same. 3 same. Then 6 and 5. So which one is greater? 6 is greater. Yes. So that means this number is greater. Here. First we will count the number of digits. Okay. In both the numbers, number of digits are equal. Okay. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In both the numbers, equal number of digits are given. So now we will do the comparison from the left hand side, from this hand. Okay. So 6, 6, 7, 8. Okay. 5, 2, 5, 2. Here is 3, here is 9. This is 300 and this is 900. So which one is greater? 9 digit is greater. So here 900, this number will be greater because at the hundreds place it contain larger digit. Okay. Now the L part. In the L part, first count the number of digits. Here 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Both having same number of digits. So start doing comparison from the left hand side. So there is 3, 0. Here is 3, 1. Okay. So here 30 and there is 31. Yes. So that means that number is greater. Okay. That number is greater. Okay. So you have to do only this. In the question number 4, write the smallest and the largest number. We have to write smallest and largest number by using, okay, smallest and larger means there are few numbers are given from which we have to select the smallest number. Smallest we will select. Smallest means सबसे छोटा and largest means सबसे बड़ा. Okay, so from here we have to select and we have to write that number in the boxes that is given in our book. So which number is smallest? First look at the numbers. How we will do the comparison? As we have done in the question number 3, we will use that same method. First we will count the number of digits. Okay, so the number that will contain more number of digits, that will be our greatest, and that will contain the less number of digits, that will be our smallest. If all are containing the same number of digits, then what we will do? We will do the comparison from the left hand side. We will start comparison. So first, here is look at here this number. Read this number. This is here ones, tens, hundred. This is thousands, and here will be lakh. Okay. So this is ones, tens, hundred, and these are in thousands period. This is lakh. Okay. Here is what is this? This is ones, tens, hundred. This is thousands. Okay, 99,000. Here is in lakhs. This is in lakhs. Ones, tens, hundred. This is thousands. Means both digit in thousand. This is lakh. Here is also lakh, thousands, and this is ones, tens, hundred. Okay. So here when we will look at these digits, we get this number contain only 5 digits and all are containing 6 digits. So this is the smallest number. This is smallest. So first we will fill this number in the smallest box. Okay, now we will find out our greatest number or our largest number. So this is 4 lakh, this is 3 lakh, this is 4 lakh, this is 3 lakh. Okay, so from observing we know that 2 digit containing first 4 and 2 number containing first digit 3. So we will now compare the 4 because we are searching here largest number. So we will compare these 2 digits. Okay, here is 4, then 5, here is 4, then 6. So that means this number is greater. So this is the largest number. 4,67,000. What is this? 4,67,823. Okay, 823. So this is our question number 4. Now question number 5. Write in the ascending order. I am rubbing this now. Okay, we will do at the top. So in the question number 5, write in the ascending order. We have to write the given number in the ascending order. And in the question number 6, we have to write the number in the ascending order. So I will do only one part from these 2 questions. Remaining you will do by your own. Question number 5. Question number 5, B part I have taken here. Okay. So what is in that? Here is I am writing first statement 9504020. Okay, another number is what is next? Next is 378, and the last is this 9784. Okay, first I'm putting the commas in this. Okay, you will also put the commas first. So we have to write these numbers in the descending order. descending order, you know that descending order is decreasing order, means first will be the greatest number, yes, then small number to that, and then next, and at last we will write the smallest number, means decreasing, level will be decrease here. So in the descending order, in the decreasing order, first we will write the greatest number. So first we will look at the digits and find out which one is the greatest. So here is how many digits are there? 3 and 6. Here is 7, here is 7, here is 6, and here is 7. Okay, so in these two, 6, and in that 3, there is 7 digits. So we will compare that one first. This is 9504, this is 9540, this is 9540. Okay, 9504 is less than 9540 and this. So now we will compare these two. Okay, 9540, 9540. Here is 0, here is 3. So that means that number is greater than this. So that number is our also greatest number. So first number is 95,40,378 semicolon. Semicolon I'm using here as a separator. Okay, means this number is separate and that is also separate. After this we have compared already. It will come at the second position, and after this number will come. Okay, we have done this comparison. When we were we were searching greatest number, then we compare these three. Okay, so we get that this is the greatest number because 9540, this is 95 also 40, but here this is 378, this is 002. Okay, after that there is 9540 and this is 9504, so it will come at the third place. Now we will take next number from these two. Okay, so here is 950, here is 959. So this one is greater than that. So here will be 9,59,784 semicolon. Next is 9,50,420. Okay, so this is our descending order, means decreasing order. Okay, if you have to write all these numbers in ascending order, ascending means that is increasing order. So you will start from this, then this, then this, and like this. Okay, now the question number, we have to do question number 7. In the question number 7, some digits are given to us and we have to form a greatest number and the smallest number from that digits. Okay, from that given digit. So question number 7, A part. In the A part, digits 4 is given, 2 is given, 8, 3, 6, 5. Okay, in the E part, 6, 5, 8, 9, again 8, 7, 0 and 2. These digits are given. Okay, so what we have to do here, we have to form greatest number, we have to form greatest number and the smallest number. Okay, so this is A part, these digits are given. When we will form the greatest number, then first we will write, when we are forming the greatest number, so we will write the greatest digit at the first position, means on the left hand side here. From here we will write the greatest digit here, then means level, or you can say we will write the given digits in the descending order, then we will get the greatest number. So first, which digit is the greatest digit? This is the greatest digit, so 8 will be here. Now next is 6, Okay, next is 5, next is 4, and next is 2. Okay, 2 2. Okay, there is 2 2 and this. The next is after 4 there is 3 is also given. Okay, now first I take the 8, then 6, then 5, then 4, then 3, then 2. So this is our greatest number. In the smallest number, we will start from the smallest digit. So or you can do reverse of this. Okay, so here which one is smallest? 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, then 8. Okay, or you can say when you are writing the greatest number, if you are starting from the right hand, then you will write smallest, then greater to that, then greater to that, like this. Okay, and in the smallest you will start from the, if you are starting writing from the right hand side, so greatest digit will be there. Okay, simply you have to form the greatest number and the smallest numbers. Now this one. So in the greatest number always rule will be same. So now which one is the greatest digit? 9 is here. I'll take 9 here. Then 8 is given. Okay, 9 I have taken, 8 I have taken. 1 8 is also given. So I'll take this 8 also. Okay, I have taken this. Now 7. Okay, put this here. Now 6 here. What is left? 5. Okay, done. What is left? 0 2. So 2. Then 0. Okay. When we will write the smallest number, so first we will look at the smallest digit. Here is 0. But when we are having 0 in the given digits, we will never start our number with 0. Okay, because if we will put the 0 at the first place, then there is no value of the 0. So what we will do, we will take next digit to 0. So what is next? 0 से next बड़ा कौन है? That is 2. So at the first place we will put that digit. अगर यहाँ पे 1 given होता, so we will take that one. Okay, so here we will take first 2, then at the second place, in the smallest number, 0 will come always at the second place from the left hand side. Okay, now remaining digit you will arrange in the ascending order. What will be next? 5 6 7 8 8 9. Okay, you can form your smallest number from this also. Means 0 will not come at the first place. 2 0 5 6 7 8 8 9. Okay, so please do this exercise in your book, and next week I'll take your test. Thank you, class.